Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this elliptical machine that this brand sent to me for this video. I'm going to show it to you and how it works in a little bit, but just it's so easy. So easy to work with. It also comes with a remote controller. You can manage the speed, you can manage the direction, you can manage the start and stop, you can manage programs. It comes with also programs. So that would be really good just for you to exercise. For example, under your home desk, for example, your home office desk, you can put it in there. And by the way, it comes with a kind of like a long cable, I want to say. I think it's like a six foot, it's I think like a 6 feet cable. So you can use that one and put it under your desk, or if you're watching TV or something like that, you can use it that way. Or if it is for like a senior person, like an elderly person, you can actually help them to exercise their legs. And of course, it comes with different speeds and everything manageable right here on the digital display, as well as the remote controller. I think it is for size 12, men's size 12, I think so, something like that. But one thing that I do recommend you, if you're gonna use it under your desk, make sure that you have a surface that your chair is not gonna be moving too much, because you may be moving. By the way, I'm gonna stop it right now. It comes with the instructions right here. Give it a read just to understand how it works. And this kind of like mat right here that you can put under the actual elliptical machine. Let's take a closer look. Okay, we're gonna start it back again, and we're gonna change the speed. So this is speed number 4, speed number 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God. Oh, it started going super fast now. 12 is the max. So now we know that 12 is the max. We're gonna change the direction to the other side, stops, and start going back again to the other side. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Yeah, this is pretty good. I can actually feel the exercise. You know, I'm not making any effort, but I can feel the exercise, basically, which is like moving my feet without any extra effort. And then we can just change the mode, and we can change the program, just like this one, for example, which is gonna start like right away, super slow. We can change to program number 2, which I think is gonna be a little bit faster. And then we can change to program number 3, and then we can put it in auto mode as well, just like change the auto mode, or just put it in manual, which is gonna be this one right here. Manual is right here. So we change the speed and we set it up in speed number 8. Again, everything with the remote controller. You can see the display is there as well, and it is pretty steady and firm, so it won't slip away from your floor. But if you have wooden floor, you can put the other mat that I showed you before. This is pretty good. It also comes with a handle and a remote controller holder. Fantastic. I like it. I do recommend it.